Hello everyone! I hope you're doing great and feeling inspired to date. In today's tutorial, we're going to paint a beautiful golden sunset landscape. A peaceful field glowing under warm light, with a rustic fence in the foreground, wildflowers, and a dramatic sky filled with soft clouds. Let's start step by step. Using a large flat brush, I begin by mixing blue, white, and a touch of red to paint the upper part of the sky. For the lower half, I apply a soft orange tone and gently blend the two areas together to create a smooth transition. To paint the clouds, I mix blue, red, a little black, and white until I reach a balanced tone. Then I start shaping a large cloud across the sky. As I move downward, I gradually shift the color slightly toward orange to reflect the warm light of the sunset. To make the scene more luminous, I apply another layer of orange over the lower part of the sky. Then, using a smaller brush, I brighten the outer edges of the clouds. I also add a few small scattered clouds here and there, taking my time to refine the sky and softly highlight the cloud edges for a more natural and glowing effect. Next, I mix yellow, red, and blue to create a rich, deep green tone for the distant trees and bushes. I adjust the mixture slightly each time, sometimes adding a bit more yellow for warmth or a touch more blue to cool it down so the background doesn't look flat or uniform. This variation helps create a more natural and atmospheric effect. Using a small round brush, I begin to gently define the top edges of the distant trees. Instead of drawing hard, sharp lines, I use soft, irregular strokes to suggest the organic shapes of treetops. Now I begin painting the field beneath the trees, where the grass is touched by the warm golden light of sunset. I build it layer by layer, adjusting my colors each time to avoid a flat or uniform look. In the foreground, I apply a darker green using spaced brush strokes so that small parts of the canvas still show through. Then I gradually add yellow and white to my mixture and layer highlights over the grass. I also touch some areas with a bit of orange to reflect the warm sunlight. I keep my brush movements light and gentle, allowing subtle texture to form instead of a flat surface. With a liner brush, I start adding thin grasses emerging from the field and make the foreground bushes more defined. I carefully shape the bending grasses one by one. Those touched by light are painted in warm golden tones, while those in shadow are deepened by adding a bit of blue to the green. Now, in the brighter part of the sky, I place the setting sun and softly spread its rays across the scene, enhancing the warm atmosphere. Next, I paint a large, strong tree on one side of the composition using deep, dark tones. I focus on creating a bold silhouette first, then subtly vary the darkness within the tree to suggest volume and natural form. By slightly softening some edges and adding a few lighter touches where the light catches, the tree feels more alive and integrated into the glowing environment. In the foreground, I paint a series of wooden fence posts arranged from larger to smaller to create perspective and depth. Then I add highlights on them to define their structure. Finally, I paint wildflowers growing beautifully along the fence. I begin with small yellow flowers scattered here and there, and then add white flowers among them. The farther flowers are smaller and closer together, while the ones in the foreground are larger, more spaced out, and more detailed. In the final step, you can add as many details as you like to make your painting more natural and visually rich. I truly hope you enjoyed painting this warm sunset scene with me. If you did, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Thank you so much for being here. See you in the next painting.